certified flight instructor, and we're going to fly together. I'm very excited. Hi, Andrea.
Hello.
Hi.
So we are going to start the flow. We are going to do the Preflight. So we are going to follow this, and we want to start from the left and we go around. This one says check fuel quantity left and right and oil. So that's what we're going to do first. So I grab this and we are going to get out.
Andrea is a CFI, Certified Flight Instructor, and also she is an instrument instructor, multi-engine instructor. She also has so many hours in different aeroplanes, and beside that, she's multilingual and certified school teacher. What facilitates to everyone who want to learn with her, because she have a big training about how to teach. It's a class. In my case, because just I love to be around aircraft, what's in citation up and down, and I was to the translation for the new aeroplane from Mexico, helping to the mechanic to understand. I was in 2008, and this was my first instructor, who is now in Japan flying the big jet. Certified, I have deep dive in the Cessnas 172, a guide to be a pilot, and I have a few more. It's not in the frame yet. Seminars for the FAA safety team in the USA, and also I'm multilingual. I can understand a few languages before, and also certified teacher in Argentina. I was a principal school, and here a school teacher. I have some kind of background in medicine, nurse companion, and paramedic. One of my goals to be a pilot is to be available to transport patients. This was a little background about us, and now back to the Preflight.
Yeah, the skull one. But this one doesn't have that sound, so
To check if the red line is on.
yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see it. Let me, I will.
Yeah.
Okay, so look.
Yes.
Okay, so that's
Do it again. So, yes, it's working perfectly.
so it's working.
Yes.
So we're done with that. Now I will turn the lights.
To save the battery.
Exactly. Okay. So now we turn it off.
Perfect.
Now we are going to start checking the condition of the plane. So what I'm going to put, I'm going to the flaps. Okay. So I will put all the flaps down.
Perfect.
And we're going to walk the plane
Where is the handle for this piper?
here.
Okay. You put the flat on the maximum.
Max, yes.
Perfect.
Look around the plane. So we're going to check the flat. And we're just making sure that, everything is like tight and
Nice,
secure. And
Yeah.
we have here, this is like moving, is good. Now we check the condition here, the aileron. Some is open here, so you can look all the nuts, but this one you really can't. So you just make sure. But you don't want any, any
screw.
any missing a screw, so you just check, and you're checking the condition of
This soft, right? I have the same. I bought the same. Let me see how it is.
This one is the plane. So you're taking the condition of the wing.
Yes.
We are done with this, right? So
Yes.
it's full. So what we are going to do, we are going to
To see if it's water or some kind of debris or something is not good.
So just a little bit there.
Yes.
And some people go one by one. I put it all in one time. Because if one is not good, then it's
Anyway, you cannot fly.
Exactly.
Yes.
So
You put the whole together.
So this one is good. See, you see any water?
No.
Okay, and see, you see light blue.
Yes.
Very good. And we check the condition of the tire. So it's good. And then we want to have here at least 3 inches. So that looks good. And we're just checking the condition. That doesn't like anything looks okay and doesn't look anything out of the ordinary.
Yes.
The hats are good. Okay, and we'll check we're good. Okay. So now, here we're just making sure that we don't have any like nips or
dent or something
yeah,
like
the
that.
propeller. This is good. Here,
It's tight.
alternator. Yeah,
It's
it's
good.
good. It's good. The condition of it. Very good. So there is another one here.
Yes, this is directly from the carburetor, right? Or directly.
Yeah. Okay. So,
And the Moffat also is okay. It looks okay.
so here we're still good, and we are at least 3.5. We are looking good, and the condition of the
And
tire.
is it 3 knots? Perfect, yes.
Okay. Now we can continue. Just
With
making
the other
sure.
side.
Again, we are just making sure that everything is looking okay. Nothing.
No crazy smell, no burr. This is the brake liquid, right?
Yes.
Can I open?
You can open it and try to see. Let's see if you can see. It's kind of dark. Still warm. And we are going to make sure that is clear.
And the hole.
Yeah, that is clear because we don't want anything to, come in inside
Yes.
here. Then we don't
Because-
have, airspeed.
Yeah.
I mean, we have airspeed, but
Yeah,
we
it's
cannot
like
read
a
it.
3 instrument, right? By this.
Correct. Okay,
So we need that.
Now we're checking this side of it.
This is for air.
So
Okay.
yeah, you make sure everything is good. We are ready.
Yeah,
Check
look.
the quantity here. We need to be very careful not to touch this one because
Yes.
this will be
Plastic, right?
like this is like your trim. Okay?
Yes.
So this is very sensitive. So we just want to make sure, very delicate, that this one is up and
Yes.
down. This will be your rudder.
Yes. For the pedals.
For the
right
pedal.
and left. Even when you fly, can correct, right?
Correct. So this is your rudder. And here you're checking, making sure that you look inside and that everything is connected.
Okay.
That looks good. Yeah. Very good.
Okay.
Okay. So you're just checking the condition of the plane, that everything.
Yeah, it's
is okay,
nothing-
that we're not missing any stabilizer.
Yeah,
Stabilizer.
Stabilizer.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Have a tow bar. Like we want to make sure that the keys,
It's on the
dashboard,
dashboard to be sure. Even some people say, take the propeller like it's a gun load.
exactly.
A widow told federal investigators that the plane's keys were still in her husband's pocket when the propeller hit him in the head and killed him.
Shoe on the ground, not in the air.
Pilot Garrison Summersell says one of the most important parts of the checklist involves inspecting the propeller.
I mean, it's one of the scariest parts of the whole aircraft. You're constantly worried about your propeller.
On what happened.
As soon as you grab this, it's just like jump starting a lawnmower. Basically, the magnetos were still live, no matter what. Even though the ignition was cut off, there was a malfunction with the ignition. There's still power running to this, even though we pulled the keys out.
Garrison makes sure the power is off before pulling the valve.
And then your final procedure is you pull this mixture, which is the fuel to the carburetor.
That way there's no power going to the engine and no chance of the propeller suddenly moving.
He took every precaution that is normally taken to make sure that that would not happen. I mean, we all make sure these are in certain places, but there is an extra precaution you can do, and that's turning your magnetos off while the plane is still running.
Don't
Okay,
touch it.
so now, see, we are going to move that, and we move it just to the side.
Just
That
the
is
side.
good. Yeah, that's good. And then we are going to move start getting the.
Then you can do it. Yeah.
Yeah. So here there's a little and we are going to the right. We want to make sure that we do this when we are like ready
Yes.
to go, because we don't want to block other people, right?
Of course. The discipline is the bridge between your goals and achievements. Many going to look your achievement, but no many can see your effort and discipline. Only God can open doors. You has to enter with faith. Recientemente tuve el honor de presentar a un grupo de mujeres pilotos a la directora de educación de la NASA y su equipo. Hubo casi 500 niñas.
Welcome to Aviation Runway 24. Meet Rosanna, a certified school teacher in both Argentina and school teacher and the USA. With years of experience in education and amazing teaching techniques, Rosanna will make aviation easy to understand for you. Step by step, she'll guide you to becoming a private pilot with a free course. She teaches in Spanish and covers the essential regulatory basics in English. You'll be able to follow along easily with subtitles and audio. Subscribe for free and start your aviation journey today. #Aviation Runway 24, #Private Pilot, #Learn to Fly.